Hello, I just finished installation of Vevor heater in my Sharan 7M and I am going to try to start it and I will show you from underneath how it looks like. This is the controller, Bluetooth controller, already tested with my mobile phone and it works. And we can just press this one.
Start heating.
I have to cut a little bit of steel from here for suction and just to keep the heater very low. It's 2 kilowatts, you know, and the model 2 kilowatts is smaller than 5 kilowatts. And we are going to have a look underneath the car. As first we can see the original pump for Vevor, and I split the pipe coming from the tank and I put the T for old pump and also for new pump. As you can see, the heater is sitting on the box, on the steel box. It's 140 mil by 120 mil and 50 mil high, just to be properly fitted to the floor. Also you can see the cable coming for the pump. You can see the suction of the air, and it's going to underneath of the car. I just sit behind the cable. Exhaust pipe is fitted through the heat shield of the van, and it's fitted on the side of the shield. It's not heavy. Later I will run the pipe to the back of the car and I will try to keep that on the side just to prevent the smoke coming in the car. Okay, probably you can see everything what you need. I used transparent pipes. This one is designed for the petrol and diesel, and this one is silicone, originally packed with the heater. I think it's silicone and it's a little bit of heat resistant. Now we can see the starting process is on, preheating and just pumping. You can see a little bit of bubbles going out of the pump. I don't know where they are coming from, but they are always there. There is nothing on the suction side, but there is always bubble. Now you can hear the aeroplane starting on the runway. It's like turbo. But as you can see, the shield works very well, and I can put a hand between the pipes and it's not hot. It's just warm. It's shielding very well. Okay, I am back. Just now we can hear the noise. You can hear the noise of the heater. the air blowing in the car. This is nice and warm, but it's on the maximum. Maybe you can put it down. That's great. Later I'm going to fit the T, splitting T with valves on the exhaust pipe, and I can switch the blowing on the front for maybe de-icing the windows, and maybe a little bit on the back, just hit the back of the car when I'm sleeping in the car. That's the project for later. This is more important to finish this setup. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully it will inspire you or help you decide what to do with your van. Thanks, bye.